Hello students, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to study about the digestive glands. If you remember in the first video, we studied that there are three accessory glands which are present, that is salivary gland, liver and pancreas. So you can see here the digestive glands which are associated with the alimentary canal are salivary gland, liver and pancreas. So in this video, we are going to study all these glands. Now see, first we will focus on the salivary gland. So if you see, saliva is the one which is produced by three pairs of salivary gland. There are three pairs of salivary gland. Here, but please focus three pairs. Now, what are the three pairs? You see here, I'll highlight it. One is parotid gland. See the diagram, beta? Parotid gland which is present near the ear. You can see parotid gland is present near the ear. And see in the theory, we will label it also. Check it. Ki parotid gland near the cheek side. Okay, then second is your submandibular gland. Submandibular gland is also known as submaxillary gland. Clear, but it is also known as submaxillary gland. And if you see here, it is the one which is this one. This diagram I'm using it color. Please focus. This is the one. This is submandibular or submaxillary gland. The second is your submaxillary or submandibular gland, means which is present near the lower jaw. And third gland is your sublingual. So whenever lingual word is coming, that is with respect to the tongue. So if you see in the diagram, we'll focus here, check carefully. This is I'm using red color. This is sublingual. So sublingual salivary gland, which is present below the tongue. And all these glands, three pairs of salivary glands. Now, very important question. They are situated outside the buccal cavity. They are situated just outside the buccal cavity. The student get confused. And here is the question area. They frame it. It is inside the buccal cavity. Please know, you have to remember it is just located outside the buccal cavity. But they are pouring their secretion into buccal cavity. With the help of the duct, they are pouring the secretion into buccal cavity. Clear? And what does secretion contain? If you see carefully, come here. The saliva secreted into oral cavity contain electrolytes. Which electrolytes? Please learn it. It contains sodium, chlorine, potassium, bicarbonate ion. So first it contains electrolyte. Second, it contains enzyme. Which two enzymes? Two enzymes it is containing, that is salivary amylase and lysozyme. So it contains two enzymes. One is salivary amylase, second is lysozyme. Is it clear? And in the mouth, the chemical digestion will be started with the help of the action of this enzyme only, that is salivary amylase. And salivary amylase, you can make a note here, it is also known as ptyalin. And this is a carbohydrate splitting enzyme. It is the one which is going to break down the carbohydrate. So for salivary gland, very important question, where are these located? Okay, so please remember they are located just outside the buccal cavity and they are pouring the secretion into buccal cavity. So salivary gland is clear, but I will focus on the liver. See the liver. Liver is the largest gland. It is the largest gland. And its weighing is nearly 1.2 to 1.5 kg in adult human. It is situated in the abdominal cavity, just below the diaphragm. Is it clear? So you can see in the diagram. Try to focus. This is the diaphragm. Okay. Just try to focus. This is the diaphragm. So it is present just below the diaphragm. And it is containing how many lobes? If you see, it has two lobes. So if you see in the diagram, you can focus here. This is the right lobe of the liver. And this is the left lobe of the liver. So I hope you are able to understand two lobes are there, right lobe and left lobe. The diagram is helping you to learn also properly. Hepatic lobules are structural and functional unit of liver. So which is the structural and functional unit? Please focus, that is hepatic lobules. For this, I will show you the diagram. Try to understand these are the hepatic lobules. You can see these are three lobules are there. And if you see, they are surrounded by connective sheath. This is a sheet which is present around the hepatic lobule, and this is known as Glissen's capsule. So see carefully, each lobule is covered by thin connective tissue sheet called the Glissen's capsule. The question, very important, please, if they ask which is the structural and functional unit, the structural and functional unit of liver is hepatic lobule. And lobule are covered by connective tissue sheet. That is which one connective tissue sheet? That is your Glissen's capsule. Clear, beta? And now hepatic lobules contain hepatic cells. The lobule contain hepatic cells which are arranged in the form of a cords. So let me show you the diagram how the hepatic cells are arranged in the form of a cord. See beta, try to understand this diagram. You can see here, these are your hepatic cells. I'm using this color, you can focus it. These are the hepatic cells. They are arranged in the form of a cord. Clear beta? Hepatic cells, they are arranged in the form of a cord. Hepatocyte. I hope this visual diagram will be helping you to understand. This is green color is the gallbladder here. You can focus in the diagram. This is gallbladder. Clear beta? This is gallbladder, green color. And if you see, the ducts are coming from the hepatic cell, that is known as hepatic duct. You are giving the name to that hepatic duct. You are saying right hepatic duct. You are saying left hepatic duct. Okay. This is the right hepatic duct. This is the left hepatic duct. And they both are joining and they are making the common hepatic duct. Clear beta? Common hepatic duct, and the concentration is done in the gallbladder. So please remember, question can be asked where the bile is stored. So bile is stored, which is secreted by hepatic cell. It is stored and concentrated in gallbladder. Now, to see better, this is the duct which is coming from the gallbladder. You can see here. Now this is the one which is coming from gallbladder. This is known as cystic duct. Clear beta? The duct which is coming from gallbladder is known as cystic duct. And it will combine with the hepatic duct to form common bile duct. And this is the hepatic duct, common hepatic duct. Okay, beta? And it is combining with it. You focus the diagram, you'll understand it. And it is combining, both are combining to form what, beta? To form common bile duct. So this is the name given here. This is known as common bile duct. And bile duct along with pancreatic duct, they are opening into the duodenum. So they are opening into duodenum here. If you see carefully, this is green color is bile duct, okay? Common bile duct, which is opening along with the pancreatic duct into this area. Focus, I'll use a different color. This is the one which is known as now hepatopancreatic duct. And hepatopancreatic duct is guarded by the sphincter that is known as the sphincter of Oddi. Clear beta? Now let me show you 1 minute. Wait, beta. We will do one thing. See here. Understand this diagram. Okay. So see, right hepatic duct, left hepatic duct are making common hepatic duct. The cystic duct is coming from gallbladder, is combining with it. It is combining with it to make common bile duct. And then common bile duct is receiving the duct from the pancreas to form hepatopancreatic duct, and there the sphincter is present to regulate it when it is opening into the duodenum. So you can see this green color is which one, beta? Green color is common bile duct. I hope this diagram is easy now. This purple color is which one? Pancreatic duct. And they both, this area is which one, beta? This is your hepatopancreatic duct, also making an ampulla. You can see here, it is also making an ampulla. And when they are opening here, you are finding here at this point, these muscles are regulating, making the sphincter. We call it a sphincter of Oddi. And same diagram, beta, it is given in our NCERT. This is our NCERT diagram. You can see duct from the liver, that is your hepatic duct, which are coming from the liver. They are making a common hepatic duct. Clear, beta? Duct from the gallbladder, cystic duct. And this combined to form common bile duct, which is combining with the pancreatic duct to form hepatopancreatic duct. which is opening into the duodenum, and this point is known as sphincter of Oddi. So my suggestion, this diagram of NCERT, I have explained you, but you please take a screenshot of this diagram. Okay, this is the, now next gland is pancreas. We say pancreas is a compound gland. We say compound gland, we can say heterocrine gland. Why? Because it is having both exocrine part as well as endocrine part. Means it is having the part which is secreting the enzyme as well as the one part which is secreting the hormones. And they are present in between the limb of the C-shaped duodenum. So you can see in the diagram, this is pancreas. Okay, they are present in the limb of the duodenum. The exocrine portion will secrete alkaline pancreatic juice. So this is an exocrine part, and these exocrine parts are secreting enzymes. And enzyme is coming out through the duct. Okay, and this is the main duct. If you see, main pancreatic duct, you can focus in the diagram green color, which is combining with the gallbladder, which is combining with the common bile duct to open as a hepatopancreatic duct. Clear? So exocrine part is the one which secrete the pancreatic juice, and pancreatic juice contain enzyme. And the secretion is alkaline in nature. But the endocrine portion is the one which will secrete hormones, and two hormones it is secreting. One is insulin, another is glucagon. So this is the endocrine part of the pancreas, which is secreting the hormone, and exocrine part is secreting the enzymes. So I think so in this video, whatever line of NCERT, each and every line I have tried to cover it and make you comfortable. Okay. Now in the next video, we'll be studying about the physiology of digestion. I hope this topic is easy for you. You are comfortable in this area, beta. Thanks for watching.